How to fix Counter-Strike Global Offense stuck on Initializing World Issue. 1. Check your system requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Lower CSGO video settings. 2.1. CSGO low video settings. Aspect ratio, widescreen 16:9. Resolution, 1920x1080. Display mode, full screen. Laptop power savings, disabled. 2.2 CSGO low advanced video settings. Global shadow quality, low. Model/texture detail, low. Texture streaming, disabled. Effect detail, low. Shader detail, low. Boost player contrast, enabled. Multi-core rendering, enabled. Multi-sampling anti-aliasing mode, none. FXAA anti-aliasing, disabled. Texture filtering mode, bilinear. Wait for vertical sync, disabled. Motion blur, disabled. Triple monitor mode, disabled. Use Uber shaders, enabled. 3. Clear space on your disk. 4. Verify the integrity. Your game files in Steam. 5. Clear the Steam download cache, admin mode. Like this. 6. Close unwanted programs and services on Windows with Task Manager. 7. Disable both Windows Security and Windows Defender Firewall. 8. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 9. Uninstall, reinstall then re-update your new Counter-Strike Global Offense app.